Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a solid granny square. I will use this yarn, Nako Calico, and I think that's size 3 yarn. It's a little thicker, but it's 3 I think. It recommends the 2mm crochet hook, but it's not possible. I think I will use 4.5mm crochet hook because I want to make it loosey and soft. Okay, you can choose your yarn and crochet hook as you want, of course. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's start. I will start with a magic ring. If you want, you can chain 4 and join them together and start like that. Just take the yarn and rub it around your fingers like this. Make a cross. Insert your hook here. Take the yarn, grab the yarn like that and twist it. One time. Take the same yarn and pull it through from your loop. Chain 3. That's my first double crochet, and into that magic ring I will make 3 more. That's 1, 2 and 3. Chain 2 into the same space, make 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Just close it a little bit. Chain 2. If you are a new beginner, totally new beginner, you will make the double crochet like that. Yarn over, insert your hook here, grab the yarn like that. You have 3 loops. Yarn over and pull it through from 2 loops. Yarn over and pull it through from second 2 loops. Okay? Just make 3 more. Chain 2. I like to make this space a little close. If you want, you can chain 3 here, but I like it that way. So I'll make it like that. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will close here and finish first row, but if we make 2 chains and join from the 3rd chain like that, we must start from this space, so we must make some slip stitches and came here and start from here. If you start here, your 3 chains will look bad. Okay? I don't want to make it like that too. So I make 1 chain and then I'll insert my hook into that 3 chain. Just grab the yarn over and pull it through from 2 loops. I made a single crochet here. Then chain 3, I'm at the corner. Insert my hook into that corner. I will make a double crochet and I have 2 double crochets now. Okay? And into that third chain, make a double crochet, and keep making your double crochets. I complete 6 double crochet, and into that 2 chain space I will make 2 more. Now I have 8 double crochet for one side. Chain 2, turn and make 2 double crochet into same space. And starting from this first one, don't miss it, okay? Make your double crochets. 6, and make 2 more here. It's 8. Chain 2, turn and keep making. 1, 2, 3, 4. With first 2 it's 6, and with this 2 it's 8. Chain 2 and make it one more time. 5, 6, and into that 2 chain space make 2 more. Chain 1, and into that third chain insert your hook, grab the yarn and make a single crochet. Chain 3, insert your hook here, make 1 more double crochet, and starting from the start chain, start to make our double crochets. 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay? Chain 2, turn, make 2 more. And turn around the square like that. Okay, I will finish this row, and I want to make a few more rows, because I will use these grannies to make a crop top. I think we can call it like that. So I'll complete the 6th row, then I will show you how to close it properly. I'll see you at that. I'm at the end of the row 6. By the way, I made 6 square like that, and with 1 ball of yarn. Okay, because you keep asking me how many yarns I need for making a baby blanket or something like that. One of them is 5.5 inches long, and I use 1 ball for 8 square like that, and 1 ball is 245 meters. Okay, now I will close this, and that's the place my first ball finish, and I will use second one for this part. Okay, chain 2, and now I will close it properly. As I said, I will lose this loop and cut it. Take a yarn needle. I will insert my needle from this second double crochet. If that's the first one, this chain, that's the second one. I'll insert my needle from here. Okay. And then I will insert my needle into that last chain I made. And like that we create a stitch here. So we have the same stitch here and here now. Hide the tail like that. Cut the yarn and it's finished. I hope you like this. You can find some attachment videos on my channel. You can find it there now. And if you like, please don't forget to push the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Siri's Crochet is my Instagram address. I will wait there too. And that's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.